Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today what I am making is apricot chicken, and it's very simple. I have some thighs. I have two big, these are all frozen, big chicken thighs, and then I have 4 drumsticks. And you make the sauce. It calls for a cup of apricot preserves, which I have half of a 18-ounce jar. So it's a little over a cup, but it'll be fine. 1 pouch of onion soup mix, and then it calls for a cup of Russian or French dressing, but I always do a half because I always feel like a cup is a little bit too overpowering. And I actually made my own, so because I didn't have any, and I found a recipe to make your own, and it tastes just as delicious. So I will put that recipe for the dressing in the description box if you guys are interested. So basically this is a very easy, simple meal. It's just dump and go. We're just going to lay in the chicken, and then we're going to mix the sauce and dump it right over. So let's get started. So I have my chicken in the crock pot, and I made the sauce as you just saw. Here it is. And I'm just simply going to lay it right over the chicken. It's a very easy dump and go meal, and it's super delicious. I highly recommend this. I made it last time and everyone loved it. Even my 1-year-old son, and he's pretty picky. So I'm going to set the time to low for 7 hours, if you can see that it's a 7 hours, because it is frozen chicken. So if you have, like, say not frozen, I would do low for 5 to 6 since it is bone in, and then high for 3 to 4 hours. So I will see you guys when it's all ready to serve up. I'll probably serve it with some rice and some broccoli or something. This has been cooking for 6.5 hours, and it's well above temp. It's actually like 200 degrees, and the chicken's just falling off the bone. So this is definitely done. And these juices, I am going to broil the chicken, and then with these juices you can thicken it a little and then drizzle it over everything. So that's what I'm going to do with that. And I'm going to make some rice and broccoli with this.